Hey there, fashion enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of Motoguo, a Malaysian designer brand that's making a bold comeback at Shanghai Fashion Week. But this isn't just any comeback, it's a story of resilience, creativity, and a unique approach to fashion. So, let's explore why Motoguo's Coming Soon collection is more than just a fashion statement, it's a cultural phenomenon. First things first, Motoguo's founders, Motoguo and Kinderang, have been on a journey for almost a decade. They've weathered the ups and downs of the fashion industry, including the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. During this time, they found themselves in Kuala Lumpur, with most of their manufacturing in Shenzhen, China. When borders closed, the brand had to hit the pause button. But here's where the story gets interesting. Instead of just picking up where they left off, Motoguo decided to take a step back and reevaluate. They came up with a new management system using Notion, a customizable AI workspace. This wasn't just about efficiency, it was about finding a new belief system. For Kinderang, it meant a shift in personality type, from INFP to INFJ on the Myers-Briggs type indicator. But the real magic happened when they decided to come back. The Coming Soon collection is a coming-of-age story, inspired by the indie film Little Miss Sunshine. It's a nostalgic yet campy take on refined maximalism, blending wit and humor with a touch of hedonistic rebellion. What makes this collection truly special is its collaboration with graphic artist Oliwa Biu. Biu's dreamy, pastel-toned comics add a subtle subversive edge to the designs. From boxer shorts with baby blue horns to track jackets with mythical horns, the collection is full of playful details. But Motoguo's comeback isn't just about fashion. It's about providing emotional support. In a world where pop psychology is trending, Motoguo believes fashion can be a mental pick-me-up. It can be a conversation starter, a way to lighten up your day. So, what does this comeback mean for the fashion industry? Well, in my opinion, it's a reminder that creativity and resilience are key. It's a celebration of the human spirit, and a testament to the power of reinvention. So, the next time you see a Motoguo piece, remember that it's more than just a fashion statement. It's a story of hope, a celebration of life, and a reminder that we can all morph into our own Pegasus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion insights and analysis.